Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Larson Farms channel analytics. They have uploaded 225 videos. They now have 222k subscribers with a total view of 48,345,238 views. They are from US. And they created their channel since March 25, 2010. The grade they got is B+. And their social blade ranking is at 48,675th. The subscriber ranking is 119,285th, and then video views rank is 118,419th. They ranked at 23,891st in US. Next, the daily subs for Larson Farms is around 300 with a daily view of 130,173. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 130,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $520. Then, monthly income will be $15,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $8,580 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $102,960. That is how much Larson Farms makes from YouTube.